This is TK-02. We intentionally designed TK-02 from the ground up, so each machine is engineered to help you discover better coffee and enhance your daily rituals. We'll start up the TK-02 by pressing and holding the dot at the center of the screen. The startup cycle will run a bit of water through the machine to make sure all the tubing is primed and ready to brew. Next, let's make sure each component is ready to go. One of our favorite features is that all of the compartments are accessible from the front of the machine. The water tank is accessed by opening the front right door. Let's fill this up with water and put it back into the machine. The water tank will hold around 75 ounces of water when filled up and includes a water filter. We can also check on the waste bin by opening the front left door. This waste bin will hold around 10 pucks of coffee grounds at a time. Now we can fill up the bean hopper with our fresh coffee beans. You can remove the magnetic lid and pour in your entire 12-ounce bag of coffee. The screen will alert you while the bean hopper lid is removed. Once the beans are in, simply place the lid back on the machine and it will snap into place. Please note that removing the bean hopper lid during any brew cycle will stop and cancel any drink being brewed. The pre-ground chute can also be found on top of the machine. Now, let's take a look at our standard drink options. We can make lattes, cappuccinos, americanos, cortados, macchiatos, and even drip coffee. You can also create custom drinks on the TK-02. The screen can display 10 drinks at a time, but you can use the TK app to hold an endless number and brew right from your phone. One of the most exciting upgrades is the TK-02 brew unit, which allows us to brew both espresso, which is brewed under pressure, and drip coffee, which is brewed without pressure. The automatic grinder adjustment function will seamlessly dial in the grind setting when switching between espresso and drip coffee. These two features will allow for extremely precise brewing regardless of the drink. Be sure to reach out to our team if you'd like more details about how this is possible. Using the menu button, you can see an at-a-glance status of all the machine's integrated parts and functions. We can select drink settings to change any variable for beverages in the drinks menu, including extraction, water or milk volume, and more. Espresso profiles will allow us to dial in and change the espresso settings that we use for each of our drinks. This will allow for precise brew settings based on the coffee beans that we're using. Machine settings will allow us to change things like the water hardness level, the clock, units of measurement, and will display important machine information. Even more detailed settings are available in the app, such as how to set the auto on, auto off schedule. Cleaning will allow us to run all the cleaning cycles that are vital to keeping TK-02 up and running. The machine will show you a yellow or red dot when it's time to run any particular cycle. The screen will also lead you through each process step by step and provide a progress wheel to show you how much time is left. You can also power off the machine on this screen. Now, let's connect the milk carafe. You can place the 750 milliliter carafe directly on the drip tray and connect it to the spout. The frothing dial on the side of the machine can be adjusted to increase or decrease the level of aeration in your steamed milk. Once you're done, simply connect the hose back on top of the lid, secured by magnets. Your TK-02 will also come with an open-ended hose that can be used by inserting it directly into a cup of milk in case you don't want to use the carafe. Oh, and did I mention that you can control and customize everything we just chatted about and more directly from your phone? Our carafe app is designed to unlock the full coffee experience and provide even more ways to be connected with your coffee rituals. Please check out our dedicated TK app walkthrough for more details once it's available. All that to say, TK-02 was developed with your morning rituals in mind.